All right, let f be a differentiable function such that the integral of f of x sine x dx is equal to negative f of x cosine x plus the integral of 4x cubed cosine x dx. Which of the following could be f? This is definitely a parts question, right? This is parts. So what we have here, right, is u dv, right? So if my u were f of x and my dv were sine of x dx, right? My du is going to be an f prime of x. My v is going to be a negative cosine of x, right? So what that's going to mean is that my uv, right, so this integral, right, this integral of f of x sine of x dx should be uv, so that's a negative f of x cosine of x, right, minus the integral of v du, so that's minus a negative f prime of x cosine of x dx, right? So if I clean that up a little bit, that's a negative f of x cosine of x plus the integral of f prime of x cosine of x dx, right? Well, now I compare that to what I was given, right? This is definitely this. They line up perfectly. So this thing, right, has to be this thing, meaning that this thing has to be, so f prime of x cosine of x dx has to apparently be a 4x cubed cosine of x dx. So I can see that my f prime has to be a 4x cubed. Once I know that, right, so once I know that my f prime is a 4x cubed, right, so f prime of x is a 4x cubed, my f of x is an x to the 4th plus c, and I'm looking for an answer that has some version of that, and that's E.